10th Standard Social Science, 1 mark questions. History, Unit 7, Freedom Movement. What is an important and vibrant chapter in the history of India? Indian Freedom Movement. Name the major developments that occurred during the second half of 19th century. Expansion of communication and roads, expansion of English education, journalism, and the birth of cultural associations. These are the major developments that occurred during the second half of 19th century. Which law helped the Indians to participate in the legislation process? Act of 1861. Which were the organizations that were present before the founding of Indian National Congress? The Hindu Mela, All Indian Association, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, and the Indian Association. Who enacted Vernacular Press Act? Lord Lytton. Why was Vernacular Press Act enacted? To curb the independence of the independent press. Which incident changed the direction of Indian political history? The establishment of the Indian National Congress. When was the Indian National Congress established? 1885. In which city was the Indian National Congress established? Bombay. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. Who played an important role in the formation of Indian National Congress? A.O. Hume. Who was A.O. Hume? He was a retired British civil servant. What is traditionally called the first 20 years of the Indian National Congress? The Age of Moderates. Name the major leaders of moderates. W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Who had faith in the rule of British and judiciary? Moderates. Who were the first to study the ill effects of the British rule on India? Moderates. What is drain theory? Moderates explained the drain of resources of India into England through scientific statistics and called it drain theory. Who published books explaining the draining of Indian resources into England? Dadabhai Naoroji and R.C. Dutt. What is called as the age of liberal nationalism? The period of moderates is called as the age of liberal nationalism. What is called as the age of moderates? The period between Common Era 1885 and 105 is called as the age of moderates. Who called moderates as political beggars? Radicals called moderates as political beggars. Why did radicals call moderates as political beggars? The soft stance of the moderates towards the British made radicals unhappy. That's why radicals called moderates as political beggars. Who are called as radicals? The group congressmen who criticized the soft stance of moderates are called as radicals. Name the major leaders of radicals. Aurobindo Ghosh, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lal Lajpat Rai, and Balagangadhar Tilak. When was Bengal divided? 1905. Why did the British divide Bengal? The anti-British sentiment was dominant in Bengal and it was the center of anti-British protests. Name the viceroy who divided Bengal. Viceroy Lord Curzon. How did the Viceroy Lord Curzon divide Bengal? Viceroy Lord Curzon divided Bengal in the name of administration. Why did the Indians launch a Raksha Bandhan program? The Indians launched a Raksha Bandhan program against the partition of Bengal. When did the British government withdraw the Bengal partition order? 1911. Who declared, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. What was the aim of radicals? Attaining complete freedom was the aim of radicals. Who used Ganesha, Shivaji, Durga celebrations to organize people against the British? Radicals. When was Muslim League born? 1906. Why was Muslim League born? To protect the Muslim identity. Name the newspapers started by Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English language. Why did the British arrest Bala Gangadhar Tilak? The radical writings of Tilak galvanized the common people. That's why the British arrested Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Name the book written by Bala Gangadhar Tilak in the prison. Gita Rahasya. Who believed that they can drive away the British by employing violent methods? Revolutionaries. Name the secret organizations founded in England. Lotus and Dagger. Name the revolutionary organizations started in USA. Gadhar Party. What were the two important secret organizations founded in India? Abhinava Bharata and Anushilan Samiti. Name the major leaders of revolutionaries. Arvind Ghosh, V.D. Savarkar, Ashwini Kumar Datta, Rajanarayana Bose, Sitaram Rajguru, Chapekar brothers, Vishnu Shastri, Shyamji Krishnavarma, Ras Bihari Bose, Madam Kama, Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jatindra Das. Name the radical leader who later became revolutionaries. Aurobindo Ghosh.